Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you how I managed to achieve this slick down low ponytail on my 4C hair. It wasn't easy, but I think I tried. So if you want to see how I achieved this look, do not go away, keep on watching. So these are what I'll be needing: a comb, water, my Eco Styler gel, my shea moisturizer, got a big glue, a brush, and now let's get started.
Play me like player. Oh yeah, Joe for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my Joe love. Baby dance ya, oh leya. No they play me like player. Oh yeah, Joe for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my Joe love. Yes, mama, turn your swag on, cause I spit fire like a dragon on the dance floor. You know you kill all. Call the DJ spin all.
So after wetting the hair, I applied my moisturizer, as in my leave-in conditioner, combed it out.
Many music they to play, dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play, dance ya, ole ya. Oh ya, come on, be my flow. Oh ya, make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Yeah, oh yeah, no they play me like player. Baby, me kojo dada, cause you know I flow ada. That cheesy, fresh boy way to easy. I got the cat that you need, plus I got this one that you need. Yeah, this girl you are killing.
So here I was just trying to use the method I saw some other YouTubers used, but I just noticed it wasn't working for me so well. So I stuck to my usual way of slicking down my short hair, starting from the front part.
This music no go stop to play, oh yeah, come on, be my flow. Oh yeah, make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Killing it again, yeah, below.
Yeah, I'm not worried about the white patches because they will definitely go away when it gets dry. Also, if you notice, I try to avoid too much gel on my hair. I didn't put too much.
Many music they to play, dance ya, ole ya. Baby dance ya, ole ya. This music no go stop to play, dance ya, ole ya. Oh yeah, come on, be my flow. Oh yeah, make you take a slow. It's okay, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Marabale, be my flow. Come on, make you take a slow. Come on, be my flow. Don't fool me, my baby. Dance ya, oh leya. No they play me like player. Oh yeah, Joe for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my Joe love. Baby dance ya, oh leya. No they play me like player. Oh yeah, Joe for me, my lady. Oh yeah, come on, let my Joe love. Yes, mama, turn your swag on, cause I spit fire like a dragon on the dance floor. You know you kill all. Call the DJ spin all. They be asking what's my name. They be asking, say what's my name. Oh nah.
Adding a bit of got-to-be glue to slick it down perfectly, just to hold it down. Now let me try to lay my edges. So now I'm going to cover with a satin cloth to let it dry for at least 1 or 2 hours. So this is about after 1.5 hours. So now I'm going to attach the ponytail at the back. I made this myself from extension.
Next time I consume champagne, no, not time for darling, give it to me more. Music's playing, everybody dance, everybody feel the same. Baby dance, yeah, ole yeah. Many music there to play, dance, yeah, ole yeah. Baby dance, yeah, ole yeah. This music no go stop to play, dance, yeah, ole yeah.
So here I'm trying to hold it down with like 2 bobby pins to give it a strong hold. So guys, I am done. I tried, right? What do you guys think? It wasn't easy. Anyways, we've come to the end of this video. Please, if you find this video helpful, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in my next video. Thank you. Bye.